Welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to track the performance of your Zeely ads to understand how well they're doing and what you can improve. Tracking ad performance is essential for optimizing your campaigns and making data-driven decisions that lead to better results. Once your Zeely ad is live, the first step is to go to the Zeely dashboard. Here, you'll find a performance overview section, where you can monitor key metrics like impressions, clicks, conversions, and cost per result. These are the key performance indicators (KPIs) that help you assess your ad's effectiveness. Impressions refer to how many times your ad has been shown. A high number means it's being seen, but it doesn't necessarily mean engagement. That's where clicks come in. A click means someone interacted with your ad, such as visiting your landing page or clicking on your call to action button. Tracking clicks shows if your ad is compelling enough to drive action. Next, you'll want to track conversions, which are the actions users take after clicking on your ad, like signing up, making a purchase, or downloading an app. Zeely lets you set up conversion tracking so you can see how many people complete your desired action after clicking. This is one of the most important metrics, as it shows if your ad is converting potential customers into actual ones. Another metric to track is cost per result, which tells you how much you're paying for each conversion, click, or impression. Monitoring this helps you stay within your budget and adjust your bids. If your cost per result is too high, you can adjust your targeting or ad creative to improve efficiency. Zeely also gives you insights into your audience's behavior, including demographic information such as age, gender, and location. These insights are useful for refining your targeting in future campaigns, ensuring you reach the right people. To maximize Zeely's performance tracking, regularly check your metrics and adjust your campaigns based on the data. A/B testing is another great way to compare different versions of your ads and see which performs better. Testing headlines, images, or call-to-action buttons helps optimize your ads for maximum performance. Tracking your ad performance on Zeely allows you to make informed decisions, optimize your campaigns, and ensure the best return on investment. Focus on metrics like impressions, clicks, conversions, and cost per result to track progress and improve your ads. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.